Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our topic is construction of triangle. So I picked a book. I picked worked example 3 from book D1 series, that is on page number 301. So we will discuss case number 1, that is when two sides and one angle are given to construct a triangle. So you can see the question that it is given that construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 10.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, and ABC is equal to 60 degree. So here two sides are given. These are two sides and one angle is given. So we have to construct a triangle by these three things. It has two parts. Number one part is measure and write down the length of AC. So we will discuss second part later. First we will do the first part. So here two sides are given and we know that we construct base first for the triangle. We can choose any one of these two as a baseline for the triangle or the line segment for the triangle. But now take the ruler and draw a line segment of AB of length 10.5 centimeters. So put a dot on 10.5, that is here, and then 0, that is here. Then join these two dots by a pencil like this. Let's name them. It's A point and it's B point, and the length is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, now the arrow is on B, so it means that we have to place this D on B. So this base line will be on this black line and this vertical line. This place line will be on this black line and this vertical line will be on this point. Now we have to see the outer scale, and that is, so the angle comes here. Make a point and name this as K. Right? Draw this line. Now they are saying in the question that BC is 7.5 centimeter. So here C point lies somewhere here. Okay. So now it's the turn of compass. Put the pointer of the compass on 0. And then open it to the length of 7.5 centimeter. Open it to the length of 7.5 centimeter like this, and draw an arc from B. Put this compass on B and draw an arc like this. So it comes somewhere here. Now make it longer like this, and this point is C. Okay, this point is K where 60 degree lies, and this point is C. So the length of BC is 7.5 centimeter. Now join these two dots. And this is C. So in the first part they were saying that measure and write down the length of AC. So we got AC now. So measure it with the ruler. Put 0 on point A and the other will be on point C. So AC is 9.4 centimeter, as you can see. 9.4 centimeter. Now look at the second part. Construct the perpendicular bisector. Construct the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts AC. So we have to make the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts AC. Measure, then they are saying measure and write down the length of BS such that S is the point where the perpendicular bisector of AB cuts AC. Okay, so we all know that how to draw a perpendicular bisector. Place the compass at point A and open the compass slightly more than half of the line segment. Draw the line, draw an arc above and below the line. Then keeping the compass at the same length and place it at B and then cross this arc like this. Now they are saying construct the perpendicular bisector of AB such that it cuts AC. So this perpendicular bisector should cut AC like this. Now there is a point here where it cuts AC. They say that name this point as S. Now join it from B to S with a dotted line. And measure it with the ruler. So it is 7.3 centimeter. So now I hope that you have understood the topic very well and you can draw it by yourself. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.